Cape York 2022 was absolutely brutal. So we've edited up a little trailer for it. I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go.
Oh. We love you, Percy! Oh no! No!
Baby. Just comped out. Never celebrate early, kids.
Hope you guys enjoyed that little teaser of Cape York. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the full series coming this Friday. Also going to be down at the 4-wheel drive and adventure show all weekend this weekend, the 9th to 11th of September. It's at the Sydney Dragway and we're going to be in the content creators section. So come down, say hello to us, see Percy and Keith Urban.
We'll see you guys down there.